Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hi, can I get a coffee?
Sure, what size for you?
Medium, please.
Got it. Room for cream?
No, just black is fine.
Anything else? A pastry?
Maybe a blueberry muffin.
Good choice, those are fresh.
Great, I am very hungry.
And for your friend?
Oh, for Max?
Yes, do you want a treat?
Are the treats free today?
Yes, we love dogs here.
Max, do you want one? I think that means yes.
Max wags his tail.
I think that means yes.
Here you go, big guy.
Thank you, that is kind.
No problem, that is $6.
Wait, where's my wallet?
Check your hoodie pocket, he points.
Ah, found it, sorry.
Don't worry, it happens.
Here's my card.
Okay, just tap it here.
Did it work?
Yes, you are all set.
Can I have a receipt?
Sure, do you want it printed?
No, email is fine.
Perfect, your drink is coming.
Thanks, I will wait there.
Okay, it will be fast.
Do you need my name?
Actually, I remember you, Sam.
Wow, you have a good memory.
Well, I remember Max mostly.
Hey, Max is the star.
He really is.
How long is your shift?
I finish in 2 hours.
That's not too bad.
No, then I go home.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
That is a nice walk.
It is. Seattle is beautiful.
I love the coffee here.
We use local beans.
I can taste the difference.
I'm glad you like it.
Is the muffin heated up?
Yes, I put it in.
Thanks, that smells so good.
Here you go. Careful hot.
Thanks, Taylor. Have a good one.
You too. See you, Max.
Let's go, Max.
Max barks once.
Excuse me, Taylor?
Oh, hi, Sam. What's up?
Can you do me a favor?
Sure. What do you need?
I need to go inside.
To get more coffee?
Actually, just to use the restroom.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Can you watch Max?
Of course. I'd love to.
He is very good.
I know. He is an angel.
Just hold his leash, please.
Got it. Takes the leash.
I will be very fast.
Take your time. No rush.
Are you sure?
Yes, Max and I are friends.
Okay, thank you so much.
Don't mention it. Go ahead.
Max, stay. Stay with Taylor.
Look at him. He's listening.
He knows the stay command.
He is a smart dog.
I'll be right back. Runs.
See you in a minute.
2 minutes later, I'm back.
That was very fast. Laughs.
Was he okay? Checks Max.
He was perfect. No moving.
Good boy, Max. Happy.
He just looked at the door.
He missed me, I think.
Dogs are very loyal. Nods.
They really are. Takes leash.
Is he your best friend?
Yes, he goes everywhere with me.
That is so nice. Smiles.
Anyway, thank you again, Taylor.
You are very welcome, Sam.
Are you reading a book?
Yes, it's for my class.
Are you a student? Curious.
Yes, I study history. Nods.
That is very interesting. Impressed.
It is, but very long.
I bet. History is hard.
Lots of dates to remember.
Well, good luck with it.
Thanks, I need it. Laughs.
Max and I will leave.
Wait, is it raining? Looks.
Oh no, just a little.
Austin weather is crazy. Sighs.
We should wait here. Sits.
Yes, stay dry for now.
Thanks. Is that seat free? Points.
Always. Sit down, Sam.
Thanks. Good luck with history.
Thank you. Opens book.
Oh, look, Max has a friend.
Who is this little one?
This is Bella. She's mine.
She is so tiny.
Is Max okay with small dogs?
Yes, he is very gentle.
Bella is a bit shy.
Max is very slow.
They're sniffing each other.
That is how they say hello.
Bella, be nice.
Max, don't jump.
Look, her tail is wagging.
That is a good sign.
She likes him. I'm surprised.
Max has that effect.
He is very charming.
Actually, he's just lazy.
Lazy is good for Bella.
She is very high energy.
How long have you had her?
Only for 6 months.
Is she a rescue dog?
Yes, from the local shelter.
That is wonderful. Max, too.
Really? Rescue dogs are best.
I agree. They are grateful.
They really love their humans.
Does she like the beach?
She loves the sand.
Max hates the water.
A golden retriever hates water?
I know, it is weird.
Maybe he is a cat?
Maybe he sleeps like one.
Bella never sleeps.
Does she bark a lot?
Only at the mailman.
Max barks at the vacuum.
Oh, Bella hates that too.
It is so loud, right?
It is like a monster.
Exactly. Poor dogs.
Well, they are safe now.
Yes, safe and happy, pats Max.
They look happy right now.
Do you want some water?
For me or for Bella?
For Bella, I have a bowl.
That would be great, thanks.
Here you go, Bella. Pours.
She was very thirsty.
It is a warm day.
Yes, San Francisco is sunny.
Finally, no fog today.
I know, I love it.
Well, nice seeing you again.
You too, Sam. Bye, Max.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
What happened? Are you okay?
I spilled Max's water bowl.
It's okay, don't worry.
I am so clumsy.
Honestly, it happens every day.
Do you have any napkins?
Yes, let me get some.
I can help clean it.
No, stay there. I'll help.
Max, move back.
He is trying to drink it.
Max, that is floor water.
He doesn't mind.
Still, it's a mess.
Here are some paper towels.
Thank you. Let me help.
Okay, we can do it.
Is the floor slippery?
Yes, be careful, Sam.
I'll put a sign here.
That's a good idea.
Wait, where is the sign?
Behind the counter, 1 second.
Okay, I'll stand here.
Good. Don't let people walk.
I am the water police.
You are doing a great job.
Max is the assistant police.
He is doing a nap.
He is very lazy today.
It is a rainy day.
Rain makes him very sleepy.
Chicago rain is very cold.
I agree. I want summer.
Me too. I love sunshine.
Is the floor dry now?
Almost, just a little wet.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
Really, it is no problem.
You are very kind, Taylor.
And you are very helpful.
Should I get more water?
Yes, let's use a bowl.
A heavy bowl this time.
Good idea. It won't tip.
Max, you want fresh water?
He says, yes, please. I'll go get it now.
You're the best, thanks.
Happy to help.
We are lucky, Max.
Is he always this lucky?
Pretty much. Everyone loves him.
I can see why.
Okay, all clean.
Perfect. Now enjoy your coffee.
Okay, we are heading out.
Already? Time flies.
Yeah, Max needs a walk.
The park is lovely now.
I'm putting a tip here.
Oh, thank you, Sam.
You were so helpful today.
It's my pleasure, really.
Is the tip jar full?
Not yet, but it's okay.
Well, you deserve a lot.
That is very kind.
See you tomorrow, maybe?
I am working at 8.
8 in the morning? Surprised?
Yes, the early shift.
Wow, that is very early.
I like the morning sun.
Miami sun is very strong.
True. Don't forget your hat.
I have it right here.
Good. Stay safe today.
You too. Don't work too hard.
I'll try.
Max, say goodbye to Taylor.
Bye-bye, Max. Good boy.
Oh, he is so sweet. He really likes you.
I really like him too.
Should I bring a ball tomorrow?
Yes, we can play outside.
Great, he loves his ball.
Is it a yellow ball?
Yes, his favorite color.
That's perfect. Thumbs up.
Okay, see you then.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye, Sam.
Wait, I forgot my umbrella.
It's right here on the chair.
Thanks, I am so forgetful.
No worries. Got it now?
Yes, now we are ready.
Ready for the park?
Ready for the park.
Have fun with Max.
We will. See ya.
See ya.
Check you later.
Catch you later.
Is that correct? Catch you?
Yes, it means see you.
Cool, I am learning.
You're doing great, Sam.
Thanks. Bye, Taylor.
Bye.